Good morning, students. Welcome to Panjasri College of Engineering. Myself, Baron Sam. I am going to handle your first year subject. The subject name is Problem Solving and Python Programming. I hope you all are fine and safe. Now I am going to give the overview and introduction about this subject. Okay, it's just the introduction part. Okay, so my first question is why we need programming. What's the need of programming language? Anyone have any idea why you are studying the programming language? Whenever you are requires automation, whenever the industries or anybody needs automation, we are going for the programming languages. Whenever the manual work converted into the automation, at that time we are going for the programming language. For simple example, in olden days in your school, always at every 1 hour the bell is rang by some person, right? It should be done manually. But nowadays, every 1 hour the bell is ringing automatically. What's the reason? How they are doing? With the help of the programming language only they are performing. Inside the circuit board, if you are, for example, just everyone aware about your TV remote, right? If you are opening the TV remote, one small IC is the integrated circuit. Inside the IC, some set of instructions, some set of commands, what it want to do. For if you are pressing the number 1 or if you press the volume button, automatically the volume is increasing, right? Like that, the programming code was written and stored inside the IC. Similarly, in the automatic bell system also, every 1 hour it want to be ring. Like that, the code was set and it should be stored there. That's the reason it's automatically ringing. So anything want to be automated, we need the programming language. Then why all the department students want to study this programming language? Because as it is this subject is common to all departments. Mechanical, EEE, ECE, everyone want to be studying this subject in the first year. What's the reason? For example, if you are going for the automobile industries, okay, nowadays your advanced cars are there, right? You have Audi, BMW. There are lot of sensors they are using, motion sensors. Then if the driver is sleeping, means automatically alarm will run. Then ABS system, lot of automatic sensors, automatic systems are there, right? So there also they are using the programming language with the help of IoT sensors. IoT means Internet of Things. There are lot of sensors they are using. From the sensor they are getting the data. From the data they are do some programming and they are controlling the devices. Okay, so anything want to be automated in any field, even though it is a mechanical field, electrical field or electronic field, anything want to be automated, then we need the programming language. There are various programming languages are there. Okay, at first from the depth means they are broadly classified into 3 programming languages: low level, middle level, high level. Whatever we are learning now is high level language. What is high level language? High level language is human understandable language. What are the programs written in the English? Okay, everyone should understand the English, right? Yeah, human can understand it. So we can say it is the high level language. Anything which should be understandable by the human is called as high level programming language. So lot of programming languages are there. C programming, then Java, then Python programming, lot of programmings are there. Here we are going to study about the Python programming. Okay, so now see the subject name, it's divided into 2 divisions, right? Problem solving and Python programming. So in the problem solving, you are going to see the first unit. What is the algorithm, the basic things. It's not dependent upon the programming languages. Okay, it's not dependent upon any program. For all the programming languages, we can use this algorithm. The first unit, algorithmic problem solving. Here we are going to study about what is algorithm, what's the use of algorithm, what's the qualities of algorithm, why we need algorithm, everything we are going to study. The same as pseudocode. Okay, then flowchart. Then how to develop a flowchart, how to develop a pseudocode, how to develop the flow algorithm. The simple strategies we are going to study in the first unit. So if the first unit don't have any relation with the Python programming, it's a basic problem solving concepts. Okay, it's common for all the programming languages. From the second unit, you are going to study about the basics of the Python. What are the data types are there? Why it is called as the interpreter language? There are two types of languages are there. One is interpretive language, another one is we can say it is a compiler language. Interpreter oriented language means each and every instruction while you are giving, it will return back the answer. Okay. So your Python is the interactive language. It was developed by Guido van Driessen in the year of 1985 to 1990 at Netherlands. Okay. He only developed the Python programming. It should be developed from the basics of C programming, C++, modulo, ABC, like that. It's a combination of various object-oriented language as well as the procedure-oriented language. So it's a combination of many languages. So it is very easy to understand. It is very interactive with the user. That's the reason it was used in the various fields. Nowadays your Python programming is the booming level in the various industries fields like data science, IoT and various fields. Okay. Even for developing games also, there are a lot of packages, Pygame packages are there. Your Python is the booming one in nowadays. Okay. So the main features of Python programming is, first it is a interactive language. That is nothing but whenever you are giving some instructions, suddenly you will get the answer back. Okay, that is called interactive language or interpreter language. The second one is we can use lot of packages. We can include other programming packages into the Python also. For example, MATLAB we can able to use with the help of MATLib functions. You can develop games with the help of Pygame. We can use the IoT things with the help of Raspberry Pi functions. Like that, we can use other programming language concepts also inside the Python. The main advantage of Python programming is it's an open source. What is open source? You no need to pay anything for developing the program. Just from the internet we can download the source, then we can develop the applications in the Python program. These are the few advantages or few features of the Python. Okay. So in the second unit, you are going to study about the features, then what are the data types, the basic things. Why it is called as interpreter, and what is variables, and what are the operators you are using. What is operators? Operators means your addition, subtraction symbols. What are the symbols are there? Then how to write the function in the Python. Okay. These are the things you will study in the second unit. And third unit is control flow and functions. If you are studying fully about the decision making statements, the looping statement, that is if else if, all these things, the loops. Here we are going to study about two loops, for loop, while loop, all these things. Then you are going to study about the functions. What is predefined function, user defined function, everything will be elaborated in the further slides. Okay, once you reach that unit. Okay. Then in the fourth unit, the main things you are going to study about, the main advantages of Python. What is list data type, what is tuple data types, what is dictionary, and what are the functions are there, what are the advantages, and what are the methods. Everything you are studying in the fourth unit. And the fifth unit, you are going to study about how to develop a package, modules, all the files. This is the introduction and overview of your Python programming. In the further slides, in the upcoming slides, we will see end that one by one from the first units. Okay. I hope you understand the overview, students. Thank you.